Hello you guys, I have a new review to do for you today, and welcome to About You Beauty. My name is Brenda, and this one today is going to be one that I bought from TLWigs. It is one that I bought off of Tracy, and so it's a pre-loved, pre-owned, and this one is from Jon Reneau SmartLace, and this is Heidi in the color Shaded Praline, which is 12FS8. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so let's take a look at this. I'm really excited to see this. Tracy has got magical fingers, like when she creates and works with her wigs, and she's only worn this one a few times, so I thought I'd jump on this. So here's how she's coming, and so let's take her out. So pralines and cream, I think this is a new color for me, and this is really cute, you guys. Look at this. Let's take a look at the cap construction. It's a mono top. So for those of you who love your monofilaments, take a look at this. You've got all this space here that is all free parting, and then you've got this smart lace right here. Okay, it has the felt ear tabs with the metal stay inside, and you have the fibers spliced onto it on both sides. Okay, Jon Reneau comes with Velcro adjuster tabs. Let's see if I can get this up here for you guys. So you just pull and you can adjust as you need it. It has a felt extended nape, really soft, and it is open wefted. And it is an average size, so I'm a 22-inch circumference, so let's see how this one fits me. I am so excited. Look at the color. Look at the coloring of this. This is beautiful. Okay, so let's put her on. Oh, you know, there's nothing fits nicer than a mono top, really. Shouldn't say that, but it just, they feel so comfortable. So this is Heidi, you guys. And like I said, Tracy has worked her magic in this. Look at the coloring, look at the style. Left side, back, right side, and front. She's gorgeous. Take a look at that hairline. See, you can see right there is my hair. So you just put that right over top and it blends right in. This is beautiful. See how it's fitting me? So it's up a little bit, but I'm not worried. You can pull these fibers down. Okay, same on this side, it's up a little bit. I find some of the brands fit me a little smaller between from ear over to forehead to ear, but you know what? I wear them anyways. They're beautiful. So this has that monofilament, or that monofilament top, mono top. So you can part this anywhere within that section. But personally, I love it how she's got it. I love to part my hair to the left, and I think she's stunning. She's a heat-friendly fiber. So let's get into some of the details of Heidi, you guys. And also while I'm doing this, I want you guys to really think about and realize that buying secondhand is a wonderful way for you to try these wigs that are normally out of the budget. To buy this one brand new is, regular price is 605 Canadian, and it's on sale with a 30% flash off for $423.50. But when you buy them secondhand, they are reduced tons, okay? Especially if there's been wear or they've added product to it, people generally discount them with a higher amount, okay? So I didn't pay anything near that, not in my budget. All right, so let's get into Heidi and let you know what she's all about. So she's one of the most acclaimed synthetic lace front wigs in the Jon Reneau collection. So I believe that. I mean, gorgeous. And the colors she comes in are absolutely beautiful. Heidi's free-flowing waves fall below the shoulder, just below the shoulder here, for a boho chic style. And yeah, she looks like a very everyday natural look. She's just stunning. Okay, lace front hairline on monofilament top provide multi-directional parting and the most natural looking hair growth. And that's what I was saying, like this whole section here you can part. You could have a middle part, you could have a left side, you could have a right side, you could have a slightly left, whatever you want, okay? So let's get into some of the details on her. Okay, so she is a lace front, single monofilament, average size cap, and again, I'm a 22-inch circumference, and she fits me very well. If you have a larger circumference or smaller circumference, you're going to be able to wear this one very comfortably. Okay, and she says she's synthetic fiber. She's not heat friendly. Okay, I lied. She feels heat friendly. But yeah, she's really pretty. Okay, even the ends, like look at the ends. For someone who's worn this a few times, she looks amazing. So thank you, Tracy. So, okay, so measurements on Heidi are, you have a 7-inch bang. So there you go, all right? Your crown is 15 inches to the bottom. Nape is 9 inches to the bottom. And your sides are 10.5, okay? And then they're going to layer as you go down. And she only weighs 4.6 ounces, so she's not heavy, she's light, she's comfortable, very, very comfortable to wear. So I'm going to find the description on the color of this one for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this one is classified, or falls into the category of one of the most favorite blondes from Jon Reneau. So it features a dark blonde, like a darker rooting, and then it is blended with a medium gold blonde, a light gold blonde, and a pale blonde. So it gives you these multi-facets, multi-dimensions, makes it look very, very natural, and you guys, she's stunning. Let's take a look at her from all sides. So here's the front. I know I showed you this already, but let's do it again. Left side, back, right side, and front. Absolutely beautiful. So let's go outside and take a look and see what she looks like outside. Okay, guys, this is what Heidi looks like outside. Sorry, the geese distracted me. She's beautiful. Look at the coloring. Like I said, very, very natural looking. I really love this. Like, look at that. Yeah, she's pretty. Thank you, Tracy. She's gorgeous, and I am so excited that I got her.